How you going? Something that may not be as glitzy and as visible behind the scenes. What happens in an AI development studio? What you're looking at is a client project for a chatbot that is a pre-qualification tool. The user uses the chatbot to find what loans they can get. The mortgage broker for whom this is being built, they will use this information to then be able to call the client and have more information at hand to help them quicker and get them a loan quicker. What you'll find is that sometimes you get stuck. For example, here we're working out what the credit card limits are and the balances are for an application where there's multiple borrowers, not just one borrower, but multiple borrowers. And the agent, which is this one here, is getting stuck because it breaks down, it doesn't know what's going on. One of the really cool things you can do with AI is you can copy in screenshots of issues you've got. For example, I've attached errors and screenshots of the agent and the logic flow. I've written a prompt. This Voiceflow agent is getting stuck at the credit card question, most likely due to multiple borrowers. The logic should be, ask for the combined total credit limit for credit cards across all borrowers. Don't ask individually, this will take too long. Then ask for the combined total credit card balance, how much they've spent. And once again, don't ask for individual amounts. And finally, once these have been collected, move on to the question about personal loans. Something like Anthropic or Claude Console is pretty cool at this stuff, because if you're building any automations or if you're writing any code, you will get stuck at some point. You will get a bug. There will be some issue where you need to fix. This is one of the sort of secret little hacks that I've come across. Claude Console is going to give me the answer. It'll help me write out the right prompt. It'll help me out. And I'm going to try this and I'll see how it goes. That's it for today. Just wanted to share a little bit of a behind the scenes look as to what happens in an AI development studio. Have a great day. Talk soon. Cheers. Bye.